Hey everyone, follow along with this video as I shade this portrait using only hatching and cross-hatching, no blending. If you enjoy it, don't forget to follow for more. Start with the big shapes. Use line direction to emphasize the volume of the face. Cross-hatching adds depth and texture. Sketching is not about copying every detail. It's about understanding the form and expressing it with confidence and simplicity. Shadows are built gradually, layer by layer. Not every line needs to be perfect. Sketching is not about copying every detail. It's about understanding the form and expressing it with confidence and simplicity. In this sketch, I focus more on capturing the feeling of the portrait than on every detail. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something useful from it. Remember, improvement comes through consistent practice. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every sketch is a step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.